guess what? It's me again. What do I got here? Oh, I got something you already know I like. And what am I doing? Picked up more of these. Yeah, more of these things. See, the little plastic things. Just kidding. I bought two more. I noticed I only had two of these because I was by 4 vice grips. So I got a Irwin vice grip 2-piece, the original since 1924. The original, that's not original, made in China. So now in Maryland, USA and Canada only. So I wonder why it's Canada only. Like it's not compatible with the wall sockets in Europe. That's why it's Canada, US only. Or like, I don't know. But anyway, these are pretty cool. I bought, let me open it up, I'll show you. Yeah, I'm doing a total review of something I've already probably reviewed. Anyway, these little suckers are awesome. When I first bought these things, they never came with the fancy schmancy melt-off pads. Why do I like them? Because you can put these on here, see, little pads. All the times I've ever bought, what do you call it, vice grips, they never came with the little fancy pads. They've never, ever came with them, so yeah. 20 bucks for a pair of C-clamps. Hey, you can't even, I think these are, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks in Canada. They're not even, you can't buy this 2-pack this cheap. So, especially in Canada. All the vice grips in the US are cheaper than in Canada. So anyway, that's one little purchase I got. Y'all see, what are they good for? You can use them. You can use them like chopsticks if you want. But no, seriously, I own tons of vice grips because if you're doing any metal work, if you're doing any kind of work you need holding, you can't just own one. We built something a couple of years ago, and a friend of mine's like, "Oh, why do you got so many vice grips?" Well, this is why. And I think I used about 25 vice grips. This welding table, when I put it down here to clamp it, it had about a 1/4-inch bow. We had a level on it. It was rocking. We put, I think, 2 anvils, a bunch of scrap on it, and we got it to buckle back, and I welded underneath, and it held. But when we welded it to the frame, I used about maybe, I don't know, 20 pairs of lock-in vice grips, clamps, everything I could think of. And why? It was so heavy, it would have stayed in place, but I wanted to weld it and say I'm pretty sure it's probably buckling now. But yeah, I bought another set. They were 20-something bucks. Picked them up at Lowe's. Blue and yellow. It says Irwin lifetime guarantee. Oh, not like Harbor Freight. How do you lifetime warranty this? So anyway, that's garbage, and this is the new toys. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, click some buttons down there. Leave a comment if you have any of these. If you have any of these, let me know how you like them. I know I like them. I got like, what, every pair in the book. So thanks for watching. Toodles.